Hi everyone, today's video is an unboxing of my latest Happie Scrappie kit. So this one came in this camera envelope, which is cute, and again I got the personal size. So that's everything in my kit. First up there is this note paper, so it's just like a list pad. It says "Oh Snap" at the top with a little camera, and it isn't double-sided. Normally their pads are double-sided, so that's different this month. Next up we have this. So, this is a pen. I'm not sure how good it will be to write with, but we shall see. And it's got a little loop so you can attach it to something. I'm not sure if I'll use that, but it's cute. Next up we have a pen. It's cute. 0.5, so quite thin. Then we have a few little stickers. And a page marker, so it's just got cameras on it saying "Oh Snap, Say Cheese and Smile," and then on the back it's film. And dashboard, again with the camera. And on the back, "Life is like a camera, focus on what's important, capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot." That's quite a nice quote. And then in here so it's just these stickers, the puffy stickers. Let me take this out. So here we go, the puffy stickers. We've got days of the week down here, Happie Scrappie, Insta Love, cameras. I'm not a fan of the puffy stickers, so I think these might go to my little girl. And then we've got two acrylic pieces, two cameras. They're quite cute, but I never know what to use these for. If you have any ideas, leave them below. Some little camera paper clips, those are cute. And then the inserts. So we've got the films and cameras on that side. Then these look like pages you could use for daily pages. And then grid paper, some lined paper. So there's a real mix this time. More. So you get quite a few sets of those. So that is everything in my Happie Scrappie kit. I'll leave all links down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!